Good afternoon, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, we've got Coastal One back up in the air again, and we're down here actually at Fort Travis. And so we're going to take a look around Fort Travis and see exactly what this awesome piece of history has to do. You know, we've done several shows up here on Fort Travis on the Ask Me About Bolivar, and you can go back and see some of those shows. Right now we're about 50 foot above, but we're going to get up a little bit higher and go take a look around Fort Travis. In case you're looking for something to do, you can come down here, and they've got some great areas down here to picnic, and you can view the lighthouse. In fact, there you see the lighthouse from up above. We're going to head over towards it and see what's going on over that direction. But we're also going to take a look around the outside of Fort Travis and let you see what it looks like when you come across on the ferry. We're up to about 150 feet, and we're going to try and get over up to we're about 250, 260 feet now. But there you can see the lighthouse, and we're going to do another show on that. But let's take a look at Fort Travis and see what it looks like from the water's view. There's Galveston in the background. Some ships in the anchorage area, and this is the area out in front of Fort Travis. There you can see the other side of it, and we're going to back up a little bit so you can see it a little bit better and get an overview of Fort Travis so you can see exactly what you can expect. They've got some great bunkers there, and there's a lot of history at Fort Travis that you can see, you can read about on the placards that they have there. And so if you get a chance, some great fishing around Fort Travis too. A lot of times you'll see boats this time of year anchored up. You can see what the water looks like. Those blue roofs that you see there, those are actually covered pavilions. And they've got barbecue pits there. They've got restroom facility there. They tore down, we've got one camera up there that should be up, and we're getting ready to put a second camera, a PTZ camera actually, on the new pavilion there. And this pavilion can be leased. You get with the Galveston Parks Department. And then off to the east there, you can see the North Jetties, and we're going to probably do another show one afternoon this week on the North Jetties there where the grass starts. That's a great area to go walk around. And you can see the beach, and there is a boat ramp between Fort Travis and the North Jetties that you can use. Just to watch it, because it does get shallow in there. Got a cloud bank coming over us. But there you can see Fort Travis. I love driving around Fort Travis. It's just what you can see up there is unbelievable. And the beauty from up there. And it's about 17 feet, 20 feet above the water. And so just like Galveston Island, it has a wall around it. So we'll drop down a little bit so that you can see. That's a gun bunker there, that the area that's not mowed on top, and it's buried underneath it. And we've done shows on each one of these bunkers. You can see the gun turrets there in the concrete. And then the front of one of the bunkers, and then we're going to fly over and look at one of the other bunkers also. And there's a lot of concrete pads down here. There you'll see another bunker. And we've got, actually you can go into this bunker on our website. We've got a 3D walkthrough of it that we did. And actually, on the Ask Me About Bolivar show, we actually flew the drone through it and put together a show. And so there's several bunkers out here. And the great part is all of them have information by them. And we're going to spin around here so that you can see this one. There's the covered pavilion that you can get with the Galveston County Parks Department and actually reserve it here. It's got picnic tables under it, and you can see in front of that bunker there is a placard, and it talks about the bunker, the name of it or the number of it, and a little bit about the guns and everything. So, you know, if you're looking for a day trip, this is a great place to enjoy here on the upper Texas coast. And we're going to make a look real quick. They've got a new playground here, and there you can see the playground. Actually, it's brand new. In fact, I think Bolivar was hidden there at one point. So anyway, there's a look around Fort Travis today. Like I said earlier today, we're going to be doing a lot of aerial stuff now with Coastal One and give you an overview of the beauty Bolivar has, not just on the beach, but also some of the history about it. So anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you here on the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless. And we'll see you on the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. Remember, you can see Bolivar Live anytime through our 11 live webcams at BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula. You'll love it. God bless, and bye-bye.